Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Bybit. First, you need to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Go to the Phantom website or the Chrome Web Store. Search for Phantom Wallet and add it to your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet extension icon in your browser's toolbar to open it. If this is your first time, you might need to set up your wallet by following the on-screen instructions. After opening the Phantom Wallet, look for the send button and click on it. In the list of available cryptocurrencies, find and select Solana as the currency you want to send. You will now need to enter the recipient's Solana address. This is the address of your Bybit account where you want to transfer the Solana. Next, enter the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. Ensure that the amount is correct and that you have enough balance in your Phantom Wallet to cover both the transfer amount and any associated transaction fees. Finally, review all the details you have entered. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. The Solana will then be transferred from your Phantom Wallet to your Bybit account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.